In this video, we'll use the Python tool called Oh365USERFINDER to identify domains that use Office 365 and also enumerate their users. Based on a scenario in which we find a list of emails on the internet through OSINT tools, we can determine if these emails are valid. Oh365 is based on Python 3, and the tool's GitHub link will be in the video description. Here, we tested whether a domain is managed by Office 365, and in this case, the domain we use is. After determining whether the domain uses Office 365, we need to identify a list of emails. We can use the harvester or for this. You can check a list of emails or just a single email. We'll test another domain to confirm whether it uses 365 and then validate the email. This way, we can validate the domain that uses 365 and also the valid email address. This tool can also perform password spraying by entering a word list.